In this next tutorial, you are going to learn how to schedule a price posting bulk upload. First, sign into the system. Go to Price Posting Scheduling Tool, click it. Go to Bulk Upload, click it. When using the Price Posting Scheduling Tool, you will be able to schedule a bulk upload for the next day and up to 30 days out. You will not be able to schedule a bulk upload past 30 days. Go to the box that says Scheduled Date. You can click in this box and type the date, or you can click the calendar icon. Select the date you want the upload to happen. Click OK. You can drag your file into this box, or you can click in this box and find your file. Find your file, click Open, click Upload. A confirmation box will pop up. Click Yes. Your price posting bulk upload is now scheduled. Please note that this is a scheduled date for the bulk upload. A price change will still require 10 days once the bulk upload files added to the system. Please see our other tutorials on how to use the online beer price posting system.